Please go into Zotero. This first intro, what do you have? Window is appear in the Zotero. Okay, the Zotero is completed, and another one aspects you have. You go to and Google Chrome. One extension will be attached in the Google Chrome. So that if not attached in the Google Chrome, the installation process I already told to be install the Zotero connector. If not installed, you make it install the Zotero connector with the Chrome. That is also very important. That is also very important. Okay. In side by side, you make sure about the Google connector. From the extension we have from the right side from the top. Okay, you go to right side from the top area. Everyone have not have this for Zotero extension. This is how Zotero extension. If not visible in the Zotero extension in your Google Chrome, so that make sure that please click the extension. Okay, please click the extension. If not appear in the sense, please give the extension. Here Zotero connected installed. Zotero connector being installed. Now give the pin unpin method. Pin unpin method. Unpin in the sense not visible. Okay, you are not visible. My area is not visible the Zotero connector, but you have the pin so that your Zotero will be available. Okay, Zotero will be available. Okay, another half an hour. How
Sir,
to?
can you please repeat again, sir?
Okay, once again, please to check your Zotero connector are installed in the extension side. If not installed, you go to Zotero, Zotero welcome slide, install Zotero connector. Or if not there, you simply type in the Google, install a Zotero connector. I will already explained in the sense in the video. You make it clear in the video so that install Zotero connector also very, very important. So that if Zotero connector installed, so that makes sure that your Zotero connector is pinned or unpinned. Whether you check it pinned or unpinned. Okay. Now go to Chrome, the top of the corner, Zotero connector is available. Okay. Are you able to see that Zotero connector? Okay. Now pin or unpin method. You get pinned. Okay. You get pinned in the sense you Zotero. Okay. Zotero. Okay. Now how to add the bibliography in a systematic manner. Okay. This is what the first step. Okay. How to collect the literature. That is called the bibliography. That is called the references. Whatever you give it your name. Okay. Is not a problem. Now, okay. What are the content of the references? Number one is called books. Number one is called books. So that you go to the Google Books. Stage by stage, I will give the workings for you. Number one is called Google Books. This is the first stage. How to connect your book references into the Zotero. Okay, how to book references into the Zotero. The normally you have the easily identified in your books is called Google Books. Okay, go to Google Books, give marketing management. They called the guru is called Flip Kotler. Okay. If you have any trouble and problem now, please to give your queries so that I will be clear, make it clear about it. These are the books are given into some author noted, particular author we have noted. Okay, take it any one of the book is not a problem. Okay, Kotler on market. Okay, marketing management, Flip Kotler. I have selected one book. Okay, how to select this book into the Jotner references? This is very, very important. Only the need is called ISBN number. Okay, you know the ISBN number, you go to from here the ISBN number. Okay, the 13 digit number you have. Everyone, are you clear about it? ISBN number is enough to link the particular Google book reference. Okay, the 13 number digit you make it copy. Okay, are you able to understand? If not, please give some interruption. Okay, now gets copied the ISBN number. Go to Jotero. Okay, now from the Jotero, you have the second option. First one option is there. I will give another idea. Okay, now add item. You have that. This is called add item identifier. You make it clear for the second icon from the Jotaro reference area. Second icon you have add item. Before going to add item, make it clear you have give it any one of the my library identification. For example, now I am give the one collection that is called first one folder I will be created. Why? What I am confusing is that this is not confused with another research area. For example, if you are doing n number of or n kind of research article, for example, working capital, one article you worked. Another one article is called marketing management. Another one is called human resource aspects. So that in these aspects, you make it clear one directory you have created. The directory creation is from here. Library, in this library, you make it one directory will be created. Okay, this is the concept. Please click the particular new collection and give it your name and OK, so that all the references, all the particular references will be added from here. Okay, from the instead of first directory may also have one that is the correct is called books. If you go to the rename, that is called books. You have make it n number of directory, you make it clear. That is called differences. We want to differences. Okay, now go to identifier, give the paste. Okay, where you have already copied from the 13 digit of ISBN number from the Google Books. Okay, now give it enter. The green process is going on. Okay, now gets added into the marketing management book, Kotler. Okay, these are the in this area we have the all the details about the book. What is the item type is called book references. The title of the book, marketing management. Author, Flip Kotler. Okay, and the 14th edition, Paradise Hall. One and another, all these aspects, everything is properly done. Okay, once again I will give another one example in the same aspects. Okay, now go to Google Books. Why in the sense now, so that we are preparing the research thesis, so that we make it n number of book item we have. So that cross references we have, so that in this aspects you have. Okay, financial management. Financial management. MY Con. Okay, these are the books are available. You make it any one of the concept. PK Gone, MY Gone, Indian financial system. So that now I wanted to be a financial management text and problem. Second one, my purpose. What is our purpose? Only need of ISBN number. Okay, don't go for any preview. If opened the preview now, so that this screen opened the preview. What do you think next? Simply closed it. Okay. If you opened the preview in the Google Books now, simply closed it, so that the information will be available. In the top of the corner, the close mark is available. Simply closed it. Okay. What is the 13-digit ISBN number you have here? Copy. Go to Zotero. Zotero is already opened here. So that simply give the identifier. Okay. Now where you want, which folder you want, so that here it is a first, here it is a books. Now we want to enter into the books aspects. Give your PMID. Give your PMID. Okay. Financial text and problem and cases. Con et al. Is simply entered all this detail. Okay. The first process will be completed. Everyone being understood. If you have any doubt now, please to ask me. Don't hesitate for me for asking any kind of doubt. These are the first step, how to add the references into Zotero in this books area. Okay, are you clear about it? We have moved into next option. What is the next option is called journals. How to add the journals. Okay. In this aspects, we are moving to the journal. The journal aspects, we need some identification concept that is called okay. From the reference management, I have some of the journal cited. How the where is the journal we have cited in the research aspects. Okay. Now one presentation is given to you. Everyone being with us. Okay. If you are go for the literature, what is the literature? Summary of previous published records. Simply is called interconnects your research design earlier work. So that we want to collect the references. Okay. What are the sources is available for collecting the references? We have given to you for entire cited how to get your article, that is called journals. Earlier published, that is called a previously published journal is available. Okay. Simply first one, Sage journal. Advanced research. Wherever you go, you simply go for advanced research. Or otherwise, I will make it clear. This presentation, video, everything is given to you. Don't worry. So that repeatedly you will be play and learn. That is worthwhile. So that don't worry. Okay. Now I make it move into control and press. Control and press. That is called control and click. The link will be opened into the Google Chrome. Now move into Sage publication. Okay, one dialog box will be appear. Journal Sage publication. Okay, now you give it your research search item. You know that theme area. Don't give for entire title. You give for the keyword is enough. Keyword is enough to searching for the items. Okay, now I wanted to searching some of the keyword that is called a capital structure. Marketing aspects, whatever you wanted to be searching in these aspects. Capital structure. Structure and profitability. Now, Indian forms. Okay, simply you have typed it. Okay, now you move to the another aspects. Okay, don't give for any item. Publicity in, no need to give. All the dates. Okay. Now, axis type. Here you will be think about axis type. The axis type are three content. All the content in sense, some of the sources is protected. That is called not opened in the PDF format. So that if you want, so that simply access, open access content, or otherwise only content to which I have access. I am not a premier user. I am not a premier user or institutional user or kind of society user, so that I am not accessing for some of the article. So that only I want to access, I have to full access now. That only you will be give it for the choice. Okay. Now our third option I will choose. You may be choice with open access content or otherwise only content to which I have full access. Okay, now go to search. Okay, the search item will be opened. Okay, the effect of capital structure and profitability, an empirical panel study. Okay, this particular concept I need. Okay, what do you want? Being sourced with our Zotero. Okay, now we sourced with our Zotero. So that in this aspects, I want to need some information about the concept. That is called simply, okay, simply I touch with the title. Okay, I touch with the title. From the example of books, so that easily could identify the ISBN number. Now, in the article, in the sense, date of publication number, that is called DOI number is given. Okay, HTTP DOI ARC. This number is very, very important. Simply this web link, simply right click and copy link address. Okay, you go to HTTP link, DOI link, copy link address and go to Zotero. Again, now another one aspects. Now I will be clear about capital structure. That is called one title. One folder is opened. Now move into identifier, that is called DOIs. Right click, paste. Where you are copy from the journal, DOI number is there. Simply copy the DOI number and give it. Simply touch the enter. Okay. DOI number is not properly done here, not linked. So that don't worry. Now that is called the article information. Okay, simply you make it copy the entire what do you mean by entire URL link also. Okay, now in this process is not properly done, so that I want to copy the URL link from the top of the Chrome. Okay, simply click and go for double click now. Simply touch and click so that the entire URL will be selected. Right click, copy. Okay, next move. Simply enter, copy. Okay, now is processed. Some of the DOI number is done, so that you give it the access journal, everything is properly done. Okay, these are the method we provided. Okay, now we want to access the PDF now, so that simply Zotero collected the full text also. Your already is downloaded? No, but Zotero is very excellently working here. Make it copy the URL, either URL or in simply search the search identifier, so that everything is processed. Now your full so here. Okay, simply open the full text. No need to give for the entire Sage journal. Simply downloaded. Okay, your article will be downloaded. The process over. Okay, again we will do again the same one. Okay, what is the importance is here? Okay, now I go to the any of the particular journal, and find the any one of the theme. Should I have that theme? Make it for the collection. Okay, now another one journal. May I select from the Emerald Insight? Okay, the professor in the first section is clearly telling about the Emerald Insight, how to retrieve the article. Okay, now Emerald Insight, I will be give another open. Okay, now make it clear in the simply search item. Okay, now give it the search item, and also your which do you want to search? All content type, only the content I have access to. Simply you are providing so that you get easily from the PDF document directly downloaded from the Zotero. It is very easy, so that if available PDF to download it from your Zotero. Okay, now I search it the concept. Okay, here please enter the okay, now pasted from here the title of search. Okay, now enter content I have to access, simply to search. The search process is going on. What is content here? Okay, is now opened. What is the content is here? The contribution of intellectual capital is not related to the capital structure. Working capital is not in the capital structure. Okay, no need for to collecting the particular topic. Simply you search it for the which character. The character, corporate characteristics and leverage. Leverage is almost for our relevant of research, capital structure. So that simply click the title and get the DOI number. Click the DOI number. Okay. The end of the article, end of the content, some DOI number is there. Okay. Simply to copy the link address is there. Simply right click, copy the link address, go to Zotero and identifier, so that give the DOI number, paste. Click here to paste. This is properly done. Okay. This content, please wait a few minutes. The content also being downloaded from the Zotero. This is called the entire things are done. Okay. If you want to see the full text now, that please click the full text. The entire so many in-text platforms are available in the researcher. Okay, what is called Sage, Emerald, Science Direct, SSRN, Taylor and Francis, in Google Scholar, Econ Journal, InterScience Journal, everything is available. So that you make it in particular with, for example, at least one particular site that is called indexed site. You at least collected from 10 articles from the worthwhile of your research concept, make it almost more than 10 indexed site is there. So that averagely 10, almost your PhD thesis is completed. Within a day, you collected all the review of literature. Okay. Now, another one test I will be moved from the in these aspects. Okay. So not possible, sir. One by one. That is called each and every concept that is related our own study. simply copying it and pasting it from the Jotaro is very difficult, sir. Any other advanced search if you need it, or any other shortcut to collect all the items, na, that provided in the Google Scholar. Okay, please do the Google Scholar link. Okay, now I click the Google Scholar link. Okay, the people are hesitate for asking the question now, so that please to give the chart also. May check it the chart simultaneously, so that your questions I will be explained it. Now the clear is the you must learn the entire Jotaro itself. Now capital structure and profitability. Indian firm. Okay, now before going to search the Google Scholar, being noticed, before noticed your ensure that your extension is appear or not. Okay, if extension is appear now, what is the color is appearing in the extension? Our extension color is almost gray white. That is called disable form. You know that almost content disable form. This is known that content disable form. Okay, now I will search the entire concept. If you want to do need the PDF document, almost I collected everything. Na, it is need of PDF document is needed, na, so that you make it PDF. Okay. Okay, don't worry. Don't be everything is memorized, so that I will send the entire video from all the registered participants. Okay, you make it clear one by one. You repeatedly watch this video. Definitely, you will be understand. Okay, what is the now our Jotaro plugins? You check it the Jotaro plugins. Okay, now check the Jotaro plugins is available here. Now it is the color is yellow one. Okay, if make it the color is changed na, so that it is almost your content will be more content will be simultaneously you have collected. Okay, now I click the Jotaro. Now save into Jotaro. Okay, what are the content is available from this page? From this page, the almost 10 articles, 10 cited articles is having that. Okay, into accordingly selected my research own area, that is selected. These are the item PDF is available. Other item PDF is not available. That is the one sequence. Okay, these three things PDF is available, and other things those are not PDF is available. Okay, now give it a OK. What is the process is going on? Saving to capital structure. Which folder? That is the folder. The folder of capital structure. Your process is going on. Almost a number of more than 5 article having full text PDF. Being some time it will be delay for redriving your full text. This process is going on properly done. Second process is move. Now the third process. Wait a few minutes. Our entire process will be done. Third item completed. This is because of network fast. Make sure that your network will be more faster now, so that it is more elaborately working. Okay, no need. You should go for Jotaro. Okay, what are the content? We have large number of content. We similarly before that only 2 content we are having. One from one from Sage, another one from Emerald Insight. Now, what are the content is available? N number of content is available. Okay, now you go to evidence from full text. Okay, now evidence from full text. This is a simple idea. You have working for n number of articles within a fraction. Now you go to Zotero. Now these are the content. These are the item having content. Simply you just understood about the full content. That is called PDF is available. PDF is available. Okay. Are you able to clear? Once again, I want to give another one touch with already we have advanced search from Sage. Is it possible only scholar either in the Sage also? Okay, now I am in for search. Same content into the site that make it all those things are available from being weight. Our Zotero becomes shaded is Zotero content will be shaded. Okay, now gets yellow signal. You get ready for the yellow signal. Zotero save. Okay, go to yellow signal. Click the yellow signal. These are the having n number of item. Okay, select all the item. Okay, having the one button bottom is available. Select all the item. Okay, linked into Zotero. Okay, our process simply done. Okay, my dear participants, this is very, very useful for you. Collection of literature. Collection of literature. It is a very simple software having collected n number of things we have. We are searching some tips from the in-text site. That in-text site collecting the information also, and also we have collected from the PDF file also. Our problem is entirely solved. Okay, everything is done. You go to Zotero. Now is waiting to time for added. Okay, it is now time waiting to time for added. Is one by one being processed. It gets it gets a time. Okay, now we are moving to another one section. Everything get ready. Full access content we have to download it. The process. Our research problem is completed. You are collected all the kind of reviews accordingly. This is this is very easy process, but you have other processes there. How is going to arrange the theme of your research into documentation? Participants, please to take for another 15 minutes for your precious time. I will be more tips for you. Okay, I will give more tips for you for your precious time. I will be take another 15 minutes. How to this retrieved concept of your valuable information into documentation. The documentation part is very, very important. Okay, documentation part also very, very important. Okay, now first step, books are referenced. Second one, collection of literature from different reviews, different in-text sites. That is also done from the DOI identifier or almost other identification aspects. We collected everything. Okay, now you are already having some research paper in your drive, that is called your laptop or pen drive, you have a lot of research paper you already collected. Okay. Now I opened the another one folder. This is my drive collection. Okay, this is my drive collection. Okay, take anyone in the particular my drive having lot of PDF already linked, already stored into my computer or laptop. Okay, how to redrive the stored PDF into your laptop from your drive. Okay, now go to the plus symbol, green signal plus symbol. Okay, now you move to green signal plus symbol, store copy of file. Okay, now you get the store copy of file. Okay, are you clear? Are you able to understand? You go to plus symbol, green plus symbol, store copy of file. Store copy of file. Go and search your area. Now move into D. Now I want to lecture preparation from today lecture reference management working articles in this aspect of dynamic capital structure. What do you mean by dynamic capital structure? These are the article I have already collected and stored into in my drive. Okay, these are the information. Select all the files. Okay, from what do you want to select all the files? Simply Control A, select all the files, or otherwise simply track it, and the first file you click, and another one simply down arrow, and press shift and click. Press shift and click. Select all the items. Okay, now gets opened. What the process is going on? Simply first copy your PDF file into Zotero, then your Zotero information converted into reference. Wait and see. We have so many items, so that simply having some byte of memory is there, so that simply access everything. N number of file is simply redrive and access for everything. Another 10 minutes I will give given for supporting to you. Lot of PDF is available. You are collected today night. Is simply work with your PhD topic and collected for all the review of literature aspects. Your research literature is completed. But the problem is how to redrive the information from the PDF into documentation. Another 10 minutes I will given to you. Okay, simply this process is move into my drive. Okay, on topic I will go. Okay, before that you check it the capital structure.